love is to let go. What does it mean? It means that when you love someone passionately, truly, or anyone, you have to let go that person. You can't hold on to something or someone in life. The harder I hold, for example, if I love this rock, I really love this rock, and the harder I hold, the more it is going to hurt me. The more I hold, like if this rock is not willing to stay here softly, and I have to, like, it is being pulled or it is being out again and again, and I give gravity to it, I keep giving force to it to stay, and then my hand will have pain. For example, you must have heard a proverb, like it's a saying or it's a story, that if I hold this for 5 minutes, it's not going to be painful. If I hold for 10 minutes, it might not be painful, but I'll feel heavy. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, like 1 hour, 24 hours. If I keep holding, my hand will have pain, and it will have definite bad pain. The weight of the relationship, the weight of the person, the weight of the bond stays same, but it gives you more and more and more and more pain. The more pain it comes, right, the more sad it is for you, the more sadder it is for you to hold on to that particular relationship, that particular person. The weight of the relationship remains same, but because you are holding it forcefully, one-sidedly, it is going to give you pain. So why do you have to give pain? Let this break be free. Just free it up. You are there still to balance it up, but let it be free to wander around, to go around wherever it want to go, and you can just leave it. And that is called let go. Is the best love you can give to someone. If you love someone, you don't have to hold it. It will stay with you by itself. You don't have to hold it like this. Don't go. You can't talk to anyone. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do that. You don't have to see that person. You don't have to be friends with that person. No, you don't have to do that. If that person loves you, or that particular relationship is meant for you, it's going to be there for you forever. No matter what you do, whatever you don't do, you will be accepted as you are. So letting go someone or something of someone's behavior is the best form of love, where you don't force something, you let it happen as it is. And when it comes in that form, that's the true love. Giving you one more example. If you have a bird and you capture in a pigeon, and you want it like a cage, in a cage, and you want it to love you back, you keep forcing that bird. You cannot go. This is the boundary. You cannot go. You cannot. Once you open that boundary, that it will fly off so far that you have no idea. But in the same way, if you let that bird come and eat every day, whenever they want, they can come and talk to you. They can eat. They can go. And that moment with the bird comes by itself, right? That is a true love. You don't have to force it, bro or sis, whoever is listening this. Just letting go is the best form of love. Yes, it is very difficult to see your loved ones going away, something that you were holding very hard into it, and finally you got the courage to let go. It is very hard, but it is the truest form of love. The best form of love you can show someone is to let go. And the day you do that, right, you really prove your love for that individual, that particular bird, and that particular relationship. You are not holding that heaviness forcefully, and that shows how truly you love that person particularly. I hope that didn't drop my phone. Anyways, so hope this message reaches to most of you, and you see more that how much it is good to love someone passionately, and how good it is to let go of someone, not holding on to them forcefully. And you be yourself, you be there for them, or him or her, whoever it is, but you don't have to force it. What's meant for you will return back to you with your honesty, with your passion, and with your care, and with your love. You don't have to do anything to force into it and to hold on to it forcefully. It might be seen in a very, very bad way. So let go. Let go is the best form of love. The black love, black heart. Actually, I mean red heart. Anyways, like this video if you like the content, and please share with your friends. And remember that let go is the best form of love.